As you saw when we were formatting values in Excel, there are a number of preset styles that you can use, and there are also cell styles here that can be applied to your data. However, you can, if desired, create your own styles to use for formatting data in your worksheets. You can create styles from scratch, or you can create them based on formats that you've already applied to data in a worksheet. Here I have a cell that I've already formatted with a style that I want to use over and over again. I'll select this particular cell, and then from the Cell Styles drop-down list here, I'm going to select New Cell Style, and I'm going to give this style a name. I'm going to call it comma color, and I'm going to make it a style by example. So I want to save with the style the number format, and I want to save the alignment and the font and the fill, but I don't want to save the border and I don't want to save protection. So I'll disable those options and click OK. And now my cell style is created for me. It's available up here. So I'll select some cells in the worksheet to apply that style to. Click Cell Styles and click my new custom style. It's also possible to create styles from scratch. So I'm going to choose Cell Styles, New Cell Style, and we'll create one from scratch. I'm going to call it $color. And this time I'm going to click Format because I want to specify the format for this style. The first thing I want to do is to use some sort of currency format. So I want to use a $sign and no decimal places. I'm going to click my font. I want a nice font for it, and I'm going to choose a fill color for the cell, perhaps this blue here. And then I'm going to click OK and double check to make sure that I have the right currency and the fill color. I don't want to bring with this style protection or any border, but everything else looks fine. So I'll just click OK to create my new style. Now the style is not applied to any cell because all I did was create it, not apply it. So I'm now going to select over these cells and apply it. I'll choose Cell Styles $color, and you can see that they're now formatted with the style that I created. These custom cell styles are limited in their scope to the current workbook, and they won't be available to other workbooks unless you specifically make them available. To do this, first of all, you have to have the workbook open that has the styles in them. So this workbook has styles and it's open. So let's go to another workbook and add them to it. I'll choose View and then switch windows, and I'm going to my 2013 Customer Data Worksheet. Let's confirm that the cell styles that I just created are not available in this workbook. They're not, but I can make them available by clicking here on Merge Styles. And I'm going to select Season Sales XLS. It's the only other open workbook, and Excel is telling me that it's open and available for me to select styles from. So I'll click it to select it and click OK. I'm asked if I want to merge styles that have the same names. I don't want to, I just want to bring in the ones that are different, so I'll click No. And now let's have a look in Cell Styles. Here is our comma color, and here is our $color style. Now you may find that the colors that we've used change a little bit if these styles are applied to a different workbook. That will be because this particular workbook, 2013 Customer Data, is either using a different color scheme or a different theme to the one we were working on previously. Just going to right click this style and choose Modify to show you the situation with colors. When you're choosing a fill color, if you select one of these colors, it's a theme color. It will change if the theme changes. If you don't want a color to change, choose one of these or choose more colors and select something here. These colors will not change if the theme or the color scheme changes.